The Smeg pizza stone is the classic and most iconic accessory available for the Smeg ovens and range cookers, offering the authentic cooking of a pizza and much more in the comfort and convenience of your kitchen. The Smeg pizza stone is made from a composite refractory stone, meaning it can withstand and absorb intense temperatures. That, combined with the Smeg ovens offering maximum oven temperatures of 250 degrees, even 280 degrees, means the stone at contact point can reach up to 350 degrees Celsius. The result is a beautifully crisp base with a delicious gooey topping to your pizza, all cooked within just a few minutes. Not only is the stone great for pizza, but also for the baking of bread, encouraging excellent lift and rise, but also a golden base. Another use of the stone is for the baking of flans and quiches, avoiding the need to cook the pastry first, also known as blind baking. For delicious, tender and flavoursome casseroles, a metal casserole dish can be placed on the stone instead of on a regular wire rack. The stone caramelises the meat as well as cooking the casserole through. With all these delicious dishes and recipes, the Smeg stone is far more versatile than you may expect. To set up for use, place a wire rack on the lower shelf position of the oven and position the stone on top. If your oven has 2 ring indentations on the base, you can place the stone directly onto the floor of the oven. The underside of the stone has a corresponding profile to ensure the stone sits securely. Preheat the stone for at least 40 minutes at the maximum temperature of the oven on the pizza function or on the fan assist setting. For cooking foods such as breads, flans or casseroles, use a regular oven temperature. The cleaning of the stone is simple. Allow to cool inside the oven and then wipe over before using again. For more information about the stone or other Smeg accessories, please click on the link in the description or visit the Smeg UK website.